A very good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to discuss the third case of histogram when midpoints are given. Here the wages are given and this is the midpoints 5, 15, 25, 35 and frequencies are given, that is number of workers. But we know that for plotting a histogram we need a class interval, because class interval we are showing on x-axis and these frequency we will show on y-axis. So here we have to do a small solution. What we have to do, we have to find the difference between these two midpoints. So difference between 15 and 5 is equal to 10, and this 10 is divided by 2, it is 5. So for lower limit, what we will do, in the midpoint we subtract this 5, okay, and for upper limit, from the midpoint we add this 5. So now let's see how I will draw the class interval. So here the midpoint is 5. So how we will calculate the lower limit? Lower limit is equal to midpoint minus this 5. So midpoint is 5, 5 minus 5, lower limit is 0. Then for upper limit, midpoint, that is 15 plus 5, means to get the upper limit we add 5 in this midpoint. So 15 plus 5, that is 5 plus 5, it is 10. Now in this, how to find the lower class limit or lower limit? So just 15 minus 5, that is 10. 15 plus 5, that is 20. Then again in this is midpoint, 25 minus 5, 20. 25 plus 5, 30. Similarly in 35 also. So this is our class interval, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. So on x-axis we will take wages, means class interval we will take 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40. Till 40 we need only. And here we have to mark frequency. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So here you can write also, that is number of workers on y-axis. Okay. Now as same, we are having a equal class interval with their corresponding frequency. Now we will draw the histogram. 0 to 10, frequency is 10. Then 10 to 20, frequency is 20. Then 20 to 30, it is 40. And 30 to 40, it is 30. So 10, 20, 40, 30. So all these histograms, they are of equal size because class interval is equal. But here the one thing is this, midpoints are given. So for midpoint we have to do a simple solution here, that is a difference between these two midpoints, that is 15 minus 5 is 10 and 10 is divided by 2. So it is 5. And now to find out the lower limit, what we do to find out the lower limit, from midpoint we will minus 5, and to find the upper limit, in upper limit to find out, we will just add, in the midpoint we will add 5. 5 minus 5, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, upper limit. Then 15 minus 5, lower limit 10, 15 minus plus 10, that is 20. So like this you will find the class interval. So this is the case when midpoints are given. I hope it is clear to everyone, and you have to plot this graph on your graph paper also. Thank you.